ला गेट लेटेस्ट सिलेबस पेपर लेटेस्ट और जो है उसके कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान के ऑल MCQs इसके ऊपर ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ। उम्मीद है आपको पसंद आएगी और मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें कानून बोलता है को। तो चलो वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले है कि प्रीएम्बल इन द इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट स्टेचू ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट विच स्टेट्स, पहले दोनों को मिलाकर उन्होंने लिखा है बोथ ए एंड बी। द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान 1973 वाज अडॉप्टेड ऑन अप्रैल 12 1973। नंबर 3 पे आ गया था कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान 1973 इज द सुप्रीम लॉ ऑफ द land. It is a consolidated an instrument by the which government can be run. True. Sources of Constitution 1973, all of the above 90, ये जितनी भी एक्ट सब इसके सोर्स हैं। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 1970 वाज इन्फोर्स्ड ऑन द 14 अगस्त। उसके बाद में आ गया विच आर्टिकल स्टेट द टेरिटरी ऑफ पाकिस्तान। 1. इस्लाम इज डिक्लेयर एट द स्टेट रिलीजन अंडर आर्टिकल 2 अंडर द डिक्लेयर ऑफ द ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज पाकिस्तान 251 उर्दू को जो किया गया था। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पाकिस्तान 1963 कंटेन 280 आर्टिकल 12 पार्ट्स। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पाकिस्तान कंटेन 1977 शेड्यूल। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 1973 इज द बैलेंस एंड द फ्लेक्सिबल नॉट रीच इंग्लिश उर्दू ऑफिशियल एंड द नेशनल लैंग्वेज ऑफ पाकिस्तान डिक्लेयर्ड इन आर्टिकल 251। 1973 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पाकिस्तान प्रोवाइड द सिस्टम ऑफ चेक एंड बैलेंस। 1973 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पाकिस्तान डिक्लेयर द स्टेट रिलीजन वुड बी इस्लाम। फंडामेंटल राइट्स के ऊपर ये आगे आर्टिकल 824 को लेकर ये इसके MCQs बनाए गए। बेसिक ऑफ फंडामेंटल राइट्स आर डिस्क्राइब आर्टिकल 8। उसके बाद में अगर सेफ गार्ड as to arrest or detention is described in article 10 or protection against arrest or practical punishment is described in article 12. Prohibition of slavery, forced labor, child labor and described in article 11. Protection against the double punishment 13. Freedom of movement 15. Freedom of assembly 16. Freedom of association described 17. Freedom of trade 18. Every citizen of Pakistan shall have the freedom of speech as well as expression described in article 19. Freedom of acquiring property is described in article 23. Right are issued by the High Court under article 199. Federal Shariat Court will consist of 8 Muslim judges. True. An order passed by the president lasts for the 4 months. Prime Minister will move the judge to Supreme Court falls. Prime Minister will remove नहीं कर सकता. President will give a set to amendment in the Constitution under Article 2394. President has the power to transfer the judges of the High Court under Article 200. President has the power to refer any law to Islamic Ideology Council. 2. President possesses the power to grant pardon under true ambassador are appointed by the president. Which article of constitution deal with the Islamic provision 227 231 1973 constitution provides safeguard property rights and described in article 24. There is no discrimination of basic race, religion, caste and section 25. Right to access the public place in the described in article 23. Right of the job and fundamental rights of the citizen of Pakistan. True. Right of the job is declared in article 27 जो right of job है. Right to a language 28. प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान पावर टू अपॉइंट द चीफ जस्टिस चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ अंडर आर्टिकल 243 4B। उसके बाद में आ गया प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज पावर टू अपॉइंट द चीफ ऑफ द नेवल स्टाफ 243 4C। विच ऑफ द आर्टिकल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डील विद द एक्टिंग इलेक्शन कमिश्नर 217 द एक्चुअल चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan Prime Minister, the leader of National Assembly Prime Minister, who is the method of the election National Assembly direct, but is the method of the election member of the Senate indirect, but President directly votes for the message who is the link between the cabinet president Prime Minister establishment of Supreme Court of Pakistan and under Article 175 a right to protect the constitution is called the fundamental constitution of Pakistan and some provide the federal system. The power of legislative is exercised by the both Islamic provision in the Constitution of 10 जो 10वीं शिक्षा उसके अंदर है. After one reading of the bill of the president by the committee stage that all decision in the meditation committee will be decided the majority. There will be a meditation committee under article 72. The voter shall be less than the age of the 18 year, यानी कि 18 साल से कम नहीं होगा. उसके बाद में चलते हैं. Article 9 will not apply the enemy aligned to the parliamentary form government who is the more powerful prime minister who is the appointed member of the cabinet president. Constitution 1970 constitution can be amended by the parliament with the 2/3 majority. उसके बाद में आ गया objective resolution is made to the part of the constitution as the preamble which is the article constitution provides the doctrine of law for 4 and 25. No person shall be deprived of the life and liberty and save the economy with the law under article 9. Kind of emergency are all of the above. There is a party system in the Pakistan which is called the multi-party system. Prime Minister belongs to a party who has the majority in House Pakistan. How many seasons in the Senate? In year 3, who is the constitutional head of the province? Governor. Highest court in the province is High Court. Article 28 फंडामेंटल right के 8 तो फंडामेंटल राइट है 8 तो 28 से लेकर हाँ जी बिल्कुल. पीपल ऑफ द पाकिस्तान सिटीजनशिप ट्रू प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी राइट एंड अंडर आर्टिकल 24 फंडामेंटल राइट. उसके बाद बाई कैमरल सिस्टम बाई कैमरल इज द given under Article 50. Half of the members of the Senate retire after a 3-year. Senate is a permanent body. Is our parliament. Generally, President follow the advice of the Prime Minister. After passing a bill of the Parliament, it is the Senate to President for assent. Yes. The right of the prohibition is issued by the all of the above. How many seats are technocrats in the 16? No. Lower house of the Parliament is the National Assembly. What is the office of the chairman? Senate vacant. All of the above. ठीक है जी. अब आखिरी 5 रह गए. Quorum of the Senate is the equivalent of member. President of office of Senate under upper house is chairman and deputy chairman. After 8 amendment the Constitution of Pakistan, the Parliament consists of the all of the above. 100 आ गया. When 2 offices of chairman and deputy chairman shall be vacant. All of the above. अगले 5 भी पढ़ लें. The chairman shall be summoned and sent within the 14 true. First amendment हुई थी 1974 में. After one article name of Pakistan which Islamic Republic of Pakistan, which article describes the Constitution of Pakistan 265. What is the title of the Constitution under article is the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Thanks for watching. हमारे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर दें. Thanks for watching.